Dear doctor, we take this day to tell you how much we all love you. We know how much you fight to cure us. We know your sacrifices during our emergencies. One day, when Ritu got eye fever, you were the one who taught her to smile and give her hopes and said, "Everything will be fine, Betty," because she was still a 7-year-old girl who got scared of eye fever. On the other day, when you got an emergency call in the midnight of the boy who met with a road accident, you ran to the hospital in the night suits by insisting the sister what to do before you reached the hospital. And as soon as you reached the hospital, you did everything to save his life. Their parents were crying in the hospital. On the other side, you were fighting with giving 200% of your energy to save his life. Dear doctor, we know for you everyone's life is as much as important like their son's life for their parents. One day, when everything was fine in Anjan's home, that night Anjan was sweating a lot. That no one was in Anjan's home except his wife. His wife didn't know what to do. Rushed to hospital, thinking nothing else in her mind but you. You were her last hopes, and all the hopes left. When you finished the operation and smiled at her, she was in teary eyes and didn't know how to thank you. Thank you for what you have done today. On the other day, when Shushma died of cancer, we know you cried behind the walls. We know you hurted yourself. We know you felt guilty and couldn't take that up because for you, saving the life was the first priority. But, doctor, please don't get hurt. It was not your mistake. Dear doctor, we have seen and considered our mother as our first God, and you're our next God, and all the hopes left in our life. Doctor, we don't know how to thank you. Anjali was my best friend and my lovely sister. She was my everything. I don't know why she went to commit suicide. Luckily, I stopped her. I knew she was feeling sad for many days. I did everything to make her happy. That day, when she went to commit suicide, I knew I need to consult you. When I called you, doctor, with all the hopes and confusions, you understood her more than everyone. You treated her and helped her to come out of mental depression which she was facing from many days. She was fighting with herself. You stood for her and fought for her. Now she has achieved so many things in her life. Thanks, doctor. Thanks for fighting for my friend and my sister. Everyone says no one can stand on other shoes and imagine their life. They know what they are suffering. But doctor, you're the one who always stands on other shoes and sees their problem and solves their problem. Your magic, doctor, your positivity, your energy, your hopes, your everything for us. We know thank you isn't enough, but from wholeheartedly we argue and we thank you for everything you have done for us. This letter is from all of us here writing for you. Thanks for standing us in this difficulty coronavirus time which we are facing now. Thanks for standing us for all the time we were facing. Thank you, doctor.